ndakakuvimbisa rudo, ndakakuvimbisa mufaro nemaruva, ndakati uchawana zvese zvaunoda, mudiwa wangu ndoreva zvese zvaunosuwa, handizokurwadzise, handizokusuwise, rudo matiri ngatikudze pausiku.
Ugeza kope.
Achiborani.
Chiborani? Kemiza uzegachena every day.
Pana nchigeza kana. Zvinoitika zvoti ndobvisa hembe. Ndowacha. Ndodziyanika pamamuswa. Ndogeza zvipezogeza dzodzaoma nanapfeka.
Ngeze chipfura ichikona waita
kunoka kunaona anombofamba.
Tisho Africa.
Kana wanachotombona.
Toiwacha. Demu nacho achingobuda manje angara aripo kabati ndikuti akabuda nona mai ndikutora kombo ndikatabu mfana wangu. Une tabu ne hot water.
Kapesero tozvoona kachigara kwa mama.
I know. Azvanchaita ndezvoti apa anobuda. Ndovanda ndokutasa nditora. Ngalazi. Bonogeza nekuchika chinana kongobawo mapono ando ana madega ndogera malunch box.
Tosaka mazono kutsvindirira nini?
Poloni.
Tamboiziye repoloni.
Ngiza.
Ndinda
kutofika ke I'll give you that life and akabuda nhasi ndoenda mumanya kuto. Ndizvo. Ngogara wagadzira kumhanya. Ngakana mbobuda buda.
Domanya. Kumhanya ere? Kumhanya ndinomhanya. Totifambiswa kasvika basa zvapedza.
Ngoni, how are you?
I'm fine.
Stop calling me madam, just call me Roba. Zika amine hari. Okay, ndaubuda pandikudzoka mai manje. Apa can't find my car keys. Okay, get go send your dance. Chikafu chiri mu fridge. Everything you need chiri mu ma tools ako. Ari mu pen track kumashuro. You can get them. Okay, I'll be back very soon.
Alright.
Okay.
Mind you very good.
Thank you. Ngoni, I'm home. Ngoni. Hello.
Yes. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Sure.
Yeah.
Why are you working so hard? It's so sunny today.
Yeah, I know.
You should have relaxed.
Relax, Akaris.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, ndavamabo.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go and chill. Yeah. You are tired? I can see.
Yeah. I wanna. You wanna pesa.
You can do that.
Pesa para. You wanna pesa para passer para. Para pesa daí fundo do pesa para.
No, it's fine for today. You can relax, okay? Let's go inside
No,
and
but
chill.
I'm going to do for pesa
Go
around the house.
Go and chill, okay? For today, it's enough. You can relax, okay? Tuzo space amangwan. Let's go inside and chill. Let's go inside. Give me this. Let's go inside and relax. Okay? There's no need for you to work so hard. It's not like you just feel bad. Let's go. Why are you having doubts?
No.
I don't mean any harm to you. So, let's go.
Ice cream. Mama.
Don't rush. Eat.
Okay, bom.
Okay, let's go.
Ringo, okay.
Hey. 3. There are 4. Then you sit and eat that. Good.
Don't use it.
Yeah. This.
2, ring
Eh.
3, 4, go.
Yeah.
2, 3,
3. Good.
4.
You want to go now?
1. 2.
3.
No problem. We're going to set them.
Okay.
Then what?
And then we switch sides.
Oh, so.
At Suba Rakwenda na the heads.
So what time you
Uku.
Alright, go handy. 1. Oh, right. This is
It's
okay.
not like you're fighting. Yes, but it's not like you're fighting. It's not like you're fighting. Go.
Okay, cool. Alright,
Okay. 2, 3, go.
2,
Yeah.
3,
Very interesting.
4.
That.
George does everywhere. Please, David.
Eh. Freestyle.
Should we do that one? That's not good.
Yeah.
I know.
Go on. When you dance, feel the music, okay? In your heart. Ashinabaso tiripo kanta hipo, feel the rhythm, okay?
Okay.
There's no need. Hey, boyfriend. Sebo. Are you okay?
There's this thing. So I need to outside. Yeah.
Tapiwa. Umthelesile uda. Risingoni. Zvanga zvine ending dzipi yekuti umpini. That's it, man.
Girlfriend. Roba.
Huh? Unongochita sei? Wewe wamutreat so bad. Ndiye the garden boy. Anonzi Ngoni. I told you one. Kundatsvaga muno basi. We talked about this over the phone.
Wait.
Fantasy.
Wait. Iwewe na garden boy. What's the relationship between you two guys?
It's obvious. In the madam boss. Or the garden boy. We are just friends.
No, the bond is too close.
So what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? I'm like, Mushani ndio wanti, ashandra nini. You want me to cut combs na your Rex? And want to say my grudges? What do you want me to do? I'm like, can't I even play nae?
Was that a comb? Was that a comb? You two already didn't conversation. Right?
Utendo umesera ushi. Lazima tena na bullshit. Ya Mariam.
It's okay.
Okay?
It's okay, Pashinzo. Pashinzo, I hate you. Anyways, so
It's good.
come on.
It's fine.
And we'll meet.
And also, bas.
Ah, kule discipline yangu bigiza. Badukona chewe. Inangu kau closeness. Ka kune garden boy. Wanakiri na.
Taps. Tadzokera kuti kunyaya.
My serious. On serious note like ndinakiri ni closeness yako.
Aye waka. I'm like, what do you think what teaching guy teach?
Aiwa, ini ndindo zvawazo kusvika.
Rochi wapana kwa zvinomboshika. It's just a friend, okay? Come on, let's go.
Wait. What if you end up falling for the guy? It's okay. I ndipeleke dzandi. Zvaitika.
Usika na zvaitika bro.
Man,
Ngwani.
Yes, madam.
Sanditi madam. Actually, I'm here to apologize to you.
Apologize for what?
Maybe if you're too shamari yangu. That guy apinda tirimbom. Anonzitapiwa. Actually, icha would friend yangu. Inogara kumsoro kugeto. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
Are you sure it's okay?
Yeah, it's very okay.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. I hope unobatikana.
Ndozvinzwisa apa nomugeta ndovanzwisa nenontolo nomugeta yote.
I hope unobatikana.
No.
Thank you so much nekunzwisisa.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Ndemba pesa ku tagadeni.
Thank you so much by the way nekunzwisisa. Bro, why wanyarara?
Ushandotaura kuti
we are here to chill out.
Yeah.
Feel free. Am I not treating you so good?
No, you are.
Well then, feel free with me.
Okay, we'll score that less.
No grow more.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, have you been in love before?
Yes,
definitely yes.
Yeah, I have.
How do you know what it's love?
Well, besides the fact you would say Like I told her about, like, I don't know, 7 months. It's not that night. Yeah, but you know, she don't want every day. I want to be with her, you know. She makes me smile, you know. She's always there, like Tisinachino, you know. She's a wonderful person, actually. So I knew it was love because the feeling Nandi Nayo it goes beyond sex.
It was genuine.
It was genuine. You truly miss someone. So the genuine is not biased emotions, you know. Don't go more to that boy, you know, concern and stuff like that. So yeah.
Like you, Inga Jago, amazing.
It's nice. It's an amazing feeling.
Yeah.
When you love someone who loves you back.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It's good.
Have you ever been in love?
No. Actually, Nara, my life, I'm going over from being active set. So I've never got time. You can better say love. But I wish to find someone who I love and who truly loves me too. Yeah, I know it's very weird.
No, it's not weird.
No, it's very weird.
No, it's not weird actually. And those rural say people just want to be loved and.
Yeah, but I'm 24. You don't expect me to be in a relationship. You see.
Okay.
My parents are very, very cheap. I don't know. Maybe annoying is the good word for them. They never allowed me to mix and mingle with others.
Okay.
Yeah, they would check my phone as if they are streaming YouTube. You see. So on the my life I'm going to feel. What if I'm doing online dating? Perhaps the guy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me guess, I probably end up my boarding schools.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, alright. So you're not fun.
Yeah, and it was a all-girl high school. You see, never got time to really mix and mingle with others.
Wow.
It's not a wow.
No, it's a wow.
No, it's not a wow. It's not something that you should be saying wow. What are you wowing for right now?
As your friend. And there's my boss, and now you're my friend. Let's do some fun stuff. Just get go boarding. Come get. Come
Whoa! Okay.
One of my regal. Simple thing, and so like ban have it. But remember, they're fun.
Okay. But you want Tangira. Looks nice.
I know, right? Iri bemba ke.
Yeah, I can see
Slash ndizo. No cheka uswa ka. Uyu muri wako. Munyevo. Aubatwe. Kovona izo wagayo jijaya.
Yeah, mama ngosi ya ujigara.
Saka pesa pada ubembwa ka.
Nani?
So ubembwa uchibagi,
Nani?
Nini? But remember, this is fun.
Okay.
You know, I don't know. You want to do fun stuff?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, very sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
This is fun, right?
Okay.
So, no. Kwete muru. Bada bembwa kuzwanaka ndika. Baristaka simba mbichana. Simba. Like.
So then you gotta mengoti shushu.
Aya, usadze muridzo. Aya, tanoona zvichekeka.
Shukubva.
Usazozitema gumbo. Ndizvo. Right. Saka, mira, haisi golf. Bemba zvakanaka. Usaziteme gumbo. Muridzo, usaite muridzo.
Ausisina basa muridzo.
Sasimba. Kuzotsvaira bemba. Okay. Komana, one. Go. It's okay. Go.
Just go nice. Number tawu.
Yeah. Bad. Let's check it, bad.
Okay. Bananganti gona.
Yeah, you're doing okay.
Ngoni. Ndo zvandidziseri. fine.
Sure nyika yese iri kunzwa kuti ndindakudzidzisa kuti unosakura nebhemba.
But zvaangofanana kumberi kwacho kuri ngodaro.
Ndosaka paine badza iri sika bhemba. Ona badza iri. Mira, ona badza iri. Wamborima before ere? Aisho, warima ne?
Torima ne.
Ndizive. Nebhemba. One bhemba. Alright. Oh, bata zvakanaka. Right. Kudhiga. Asi usachikure muriwo.
Okay. Oh, it's fine. Okay.
No, usichiri gomba mani.
What in the kudhiga?
Yeah.
Wasiye wati ndikudhiga? Ndakudhiga wokuti ropa.
No, like
ndakambokudedza babasa.
No, it's okay. Nza bati yo chingoorera inonzi chinonga mauswa.
Ore.
Chinonga mauswa cheta ndeti.
Api?
Ndiri kuchikora. Ngo chingodaiso.
Oh.
Uchida sei? Wakaenda ndizo.
Nondaisa mugomba mandachira.
Ubora sera panze.
Mira ndinonge mawu.
Wanwanire ne?
Anti?
No, it's okay tosvika topedza. Mai wani topedza.
Ndotogona kutongogadzira bouquet.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Chinonga mauswa.
Ndikunonga. Ndenchita ndichiverenga kuitira tizoona ti mumunda mabuda mangani.
Chakakosha kupedza chete. Iwe chimbononga mauswa zvakawanda zvakawanda kana.
5.
Mana.
6. Ngoni.
Roba.
Unake pepo. Aka. Ukona ngekanga kachidhizelva kuda kutemwa. Wakaitira izvozvo. I think tifanira kajigara beki. Tipe badza. Kachamuka.
Oi. Imi ndime udyira mauswa akaisi tichimatema kuti
but ndege pepo. Ndichiri kunonga ikoko. Wala.
Nonga baba, papa jo apeze.
Abuda ari 16. Ndo abuda.
Wow.
Manga makawanda masora.
Wow, you're amazing. Wenga pa next batch.
Wala.
Bottom zol munda wesa wanga ni manga.
Wala. Oh, hey, Ngoni.
Madam.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Napedza kapanza apa panga ndichita. Nasa ndozoita pakakura because nguva yacho tamboga.
It's okay, don't worry. It's fine.
Saka ndakwenda zvangu ndopapisa mangwana pasara pacha.
Okay.
Saka ndobona time.
No, Mira, do pay something.
Okay.
Ngoni.
Yes, ma'am.
I know I'm going to Malanda Kupa right now in Akwanda, but we can manage this for today. Thank you so much. Take the 50 bags. I know Akwanda, I know, I'm sorry.
Mwezi usiri wapera.
I know, it's fine. It's fine. We can manage this, okay? Take it home, buy whatever you want, buy whatever it is needed, okay? Yeah, you don't have to worry. It's nothing, it's just $50.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No need to mention that.
No, ndio mangwana. Hi. Okay. So. Pana?
Lunch box.
Lunch. Lunch box. Nasanda kugani lunch box.
Sana si handisi kudya.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. Tononwa mvura kubathroom kwedu atogezera.
Mvura mubathroom maisa yote anomaza.
Antogezera ikoko kuchibhorani ndo bathroom yacho. Tiri yau.
Ambeda bakuru nebuzo. Maka. Mulungu wangu anipa $50.
So, what did he?
Mulungu wangu anipa $50.
What did he do?
Apana?
The one's got $. What did he?
Yeah, saka. Tukunongena pizza.
Ndarodza mazimu smuka. Notice a kiss. Simuka tiende. Okwanyezere mari.
Exercise we kissing. Yongo says
You faraji.
Kiss.
Osiro unonyarere.
Nyare.
Kunyara makisi. Osiriwe.
Nyare.
Iwe unonyara.
Sure. Sure.
Unonyare. Unonyare.
Oh.
Unyarere.
Pizza.
Ndo pizza.
Andika iwe isati kwavarwa kunovharwa kunai. Nasimari ndopanga wadoti vharise pizza na 5.
Kupizza kunotobodhisefa kunga kanditakura shamani. Pizza, we are coming! Pizza, we are coming! Pizza nasi. Napidiwa kupizza.
Naizvizvo wai kuti tapinda mumba muchadya sadza pamwe chete.
Muimba ino masimuka dutu rakaipisisa.
Naisi sore vadzima. Muri kurevei kana muchitaura kudaro? Dutu rinobvepi?
Pakati penyu.